Hello, book besties. I'm so happy we're here. Please like and subscribe, and together we can share stories with more friends, just like you and me. Friends, I have a very small book, and it is for young children, my book of farm animals. Here it shows the landscape of the farm with some lambs and a goat, mice. My Little Book of Farm Animals, written by Daphne Hogstrom, illustrated by Carl and Mary Hauge. Excuse me. Do you suppose when a cow says, moo, she's really asking, how do you do? Do you suppose when a horse says, neigh, he really means, I'm hungry, may I have some hay? And do you think when a chickadee sings, he really means, what fun to have wings? Do you suppose when a chipmunk squeaks, he's really saying, see my chubby cheeks? Do you suppose that a goat's gruff bleat means I like tulips and daisies to eat? And do you think when a goose honks clear, she's really calling, just look who's here? Do you suppose when a piglet squeals, she's really saying how fine the mud feels? Do you suppose that a puppy's bark means let's hurry home before it's dark? And do you think a cat's meow, meow means a dish of milk would taste good now? Do you suppose when a bee buzz by, they're really asking, would you like to fly? Do you suppose that a mouse squeak means I nearly was caught by a cat last week? Do you think a donkey's yaw bray means come on, let's go on a trip today? Do you suppose a duck's loud means I'm taking a shower, so please step back? Do you suppose a rooster's means wake up, sleepyhead, get dressed and go? And do you think when a lamb baas low, he's really saying, someday I'll grow? Do you suppose when they squeak or squawk that animals really truly talk? They don't talk to me or my sister or brother, but I know they talk to one another. All of the animals. And here is the beautiful farm landscape.